What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today, I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the TP-Link Kasa Smart LED Strip Light I picked up using Amazon Prime for $59.99, down from $69.99. Out of 5 stars, this strip light gets 4.5 out of 5 out of 387 customer reviews. This strip light does come in 2 different styles, the 6.6 foot light strip style, which we have in front of us here today, and a 3.3 foot style, which is $24.99. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions to see how easy and simple it is to set up. I believe it works with its own app. It comes with a Kasa app that you can use to control the color of the lights, as well as give it instructions on when to turn on and off. This light will also work with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant, so if you want to set this up in tandem with either of those 2 devices to control it remotely from anywhere in your house, you can absolutely do that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box and see what comes in it, and afterwards see how easy it is to install. So we've got the TP-Link Kasa Smart Light Strip here. It was $59.99. This is the 6.6 foot version. As you can see, it does work with Alexa and the Google Assistant. It is advertising millions of colors and no hub required. That will work in tandem with the application that it comes with, so you can control it that way if you don't have a Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. At the very top of the app, it looks like you can choose between the 16 different colors we mentioned before. And what's also really cool is you can actually pick a light theme, so you can choose between rainbow, ice, spring, just to name a few. What will be fascinating to find out is, can we switch themes through Alexa or only through the Kasa app? Once we get this installed, we will definitely test that out. But it just opens right up, and if actually you just sort of tilt the box over and dump everything out, you get the light strip on top. But most importantly, right on top, you get some instructions, which make it really quick and easy to install. And then last but not least in the box is the power outlet. And then you get this sort of button here that you can use to turn it on manually, which is really nice. And then at the end of the button control, you get the plug-in for the light itself to power it and control it. First and foremost, it's very thin, so you can pretty much tuck this away anywhere. There's actually this really nice plastic, sort of rubber, protective layer over the LED lights themselves. I'm actually pressing down on this sort of rubber plastic clear layer over the LED lights, and it's pretty durable, I would say, and I would sort of expect these to last quite a long time. Let's go ahead and get this Kasa LED light strip set up and installed. Okay, so setting up the LED light strip is pretty easy. You open up the Kasa app. In the upper right hand corner is a plus sign. You click it, add a device, which is Smart Light, and then you choose Smart Light Strip. It's just showing you that you can extend it if you would like, or if you would like to just set it up as is to basically plug it in to the plug that comes with the power outlet. Click next. You'll get the LED light strip lighting up, and then what you'll want to do is connect your light strip. So basically move from the Kasa app to your settings app and go into your Wi-Fi settings here, which on an iPhone is at the top of the page. You can choose TP-Link Light Strip. It will probably look different for you, but ours is TP-Link Light Strip 4C96. And then what you're going to want to do is go back to the Kasa app, and it should be pretty much connected. It's going to take a few seconds there. And then what you want to do is you kind of want to cross-reference it with your own Wi-Fi network, which all you have to do is just press on the network of your choice. We have 2 in our house, and then put in your password, and it should connect your light strip to your home network. That way you can use Amazon Alexa or the Google Assistant to control it remotely without having to go into the Kasa app. Once it finally updates, you can then give it a device name. We're going to title ours Kitchen Accent Lights. It will also be recognized under this name by Amazon Alexa or the Google Assistant. So whatever name you choose here for the device name is what you're going to prompt Alexa to enable. So then you can give it a custom icon. We're going to go ahead and probably pick the one that looks like the light strip itself, which is in the upper left hand corner there. And yeah, then we can mount your light strip. So we already mounted ours, but it doesn't really matter. You can mount it first and then connect it, or connect it first and then mount it. It's going to give you a pretty quick rundown on the best way to set it up. It might even prompt you for an update, which in our case it did. So all you have to do is update it, and it shouldn't take very long here. This is in real time, by the way. So basically, we're just going to let it update. This round icon is going to spin and spin and spin. It should take no longer than a few minutes, but yeah, that is pretty much it. And once you're done, you will actually get a sort of feature set with the light strip that will come up here momentarily. As soon as the update is complete, we'll click done. And as you can see, we get a nice welcome to light strip message there. And like I said, we get access to the accent lights, which you can turn on or off from this application itself, which is awesome. So the setup and installation process for us was a little bit tricky. We wanted our LED light strip above our cabinets here in the kitchen, but what was really helpful was that there was already an outlet in the cabinet above the microwave here, but the only sort of drawback was that it was in a single outlet. So what we had to do was we had to put a 3-headed outlet on there so that we could plug in the microwave and plug in the power outlet for the light strip. And then we drilled a hole through the shelving there. I think you can pretty much see the wire running up there. Not quite sure how good that sticky tape would be. For example, if we set up the LED light strip underneath the bar here, that would be a really cool look. So, but you know, not really quite sure how that 3M tape would last. Okay guys, so as you can see here, we've pretty much got our Kasa LED light strip set up above our cabinets. It acts as sort of a backsplash up against the wall for this really cool lighting effect. Like I said at the beginning of the video, you can choose between 16 different solid colors, so I'll choose this sort of reddish color. I can switch it to this sort of pinkish color, and I can even ask Alexa to change the color. But one thing I want to point out is when you do decide to choose a theme, so this is the Aurora theme, which is probably my favorite theme here. Bubbling Cauldron is pretty cool. You can choose a rainbow theme, and the LED light strip will light up different colors and pattern. But unfortunately, you cannot ask Alexa to change the theme of the LED light strip. Also, if you want, you can pretty much go back in the app and put them on a schedule by clicking the plus sign there and having them set to a specific time. You can also have it set to sunrise or sunset, and then you can choose which days at the bottom you want to repeat the schedule. And then what's actually really cool is, moreover, in the app you can see how much energy the LED light strip is using. So this is using 0.01 kilowatt hours. It's been on for 3.43 hours total. It hasn't been on for 3.43 hours in a row. That's just how long it's been on, how long we've been using it since we've installed it. And if we scroll over, you can see, yeah, a lot of really cool statistics there. And you can also get a predicted yearly output, which for us, it's looking like 120 kilowatt hours. Okay guys, so you've pretty much seen the unboxing and first impressions. You saw what came in the box. You saw the item firsthand, exactly how it works, how it's supposed to work. I read the instructions on how to set it up. You saw the setup and installation and the finished product. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Thank you so much for tuning in. Because I picked up the multi-LED light strip from Amazon, that makes it a convenience good for $59.99 down from $69.99. This LED light strip gets 4.5 out of 5 stars out of about 38 customer reviews. My name is John. If you want to see more content like this, if you want to see more unboxings and first impressions as well as reviews, go ahead and like this video and hit that subscribe button. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one.